Hello students, welcome to engineering assignments. In engineering assignments, we are going to study a topic called as text mining, which comes under data mining and warehousing syllabus. So let us study text mining. Text mining is a part of data mining. Here, what we mine is that we are going to mine the data from text database. Nowadays, you know that all the information about the government industry, businesses, and other institutions will be stored electronically inside the text database. Now, this text database may consist of information that is stored in a form of a text, such as the information from the news articles, technical papers, books, digital libraries, email messages, blogs, and web pages. So here, what the text mining does is that it will derive a high quality information from this text, or we can say that from the text database. Now, data in text mining is semi-structured. Semi-structured means it is not fully structured or not fully unstructured. Okay, so it will be semi-structured. Now, there are various techniques that are used in text mining. The techniques are, the first one, information extraction, information retrieval, categorization, clustering, and summarization. So information extraction means you are extracting information from a structured database. And for this you can use a tool called as text finder or clear forest text. Next, information retrieval means it retrieval of valuable information from unstructured text. So main tools which is used for this purpose is intelligent miner, text analyst, etc. Now categorization. So categorization is basically based on the document. So document are categorized here. So here basic tool which is used is intelligent miner. Next is clustering. Clustering means you have to cluster similar type of documents together, or you can group them together. So cluster collection of the document is done, clustering will be done, and classification and analysis of the text document is done. So here the basic tool which is used will be Caret and Rapid Miner. Next, summarization. Summarization, what it does is that it will reduce the length by keeping the main points and overall meaning as it is. Okay, so the meaning and the main point will not be changing, just a summary of the text information will be provided. Now, the main tools which is used is topic tracking tools, sentence ext tools will be used for summarization. Now let us check the difference between text database and traditional database. Information retrieval is also the name of text mining. So information retrieval is concerned with the organization and retrieval of information from large number of text-based document. So here the main difference between both of them is that some problems in text database will not be there in traditional database, and some problems in traditional database will not be there in the text database. So let us see. Since the information retrieval and database system each handles different kinds of data, some database system problems are usually not present in the information retrieval system, such as concurrency control, recovery, transaction management, and update. And these problems will not be there in your information retrieval. Some common information retrieval problems are usually not encountered in the traditional database systems, such as unstructured documents and approximate search based on the keyword is not available in the traditional database. So this is asked in many question papers. You have to study this. Now, what are the steps in text mining? You can see this figure. This figure is showing the steps in this text mining. The first is to gather the unstructured data from multiple data sources. Next, it detects and removes anomalies from the data by conducting pre-processing and cleansing operations. Now, convert all relevant information extracted from the unstructured data into structured format. So, the data will be converted into structured data. After that, it will analyze the pattern within the data using Management Information System, which is called as MIS. So, identification and analysis of the data is done. After that, the valuable information is extracted and store this all valuable information into a secure database to drive the trend analysis and enhance the decision making process of an organization. So it will be stored inside the database. These are the main steps involved in text mining. Now, let us study the basic measures for text retrieval. It means that what are the basic measures used to access the quality of the text that is received from the text database. Suppose a query is submitted and you have got 15 tuples, and this 15 tuples which you have got, it is called as retrieved. Okay, so it can be called as retrieved. Now retrieved means set of documents that are retrieved. Okay, so that is retrieved document. Okay, now from these 15 documents only 10 will be needed, that is 10 is relevant to your topic, then it is called as relevant. So relevant can be called as the set of documents that are relevant to your query. So relevant is the document which is relevant to your subject or relevant to your query. Now, there is a place over here which is a combination of relevant and retrieved together, and it is written as relevant and retrieved. So, it is a set of documents that are both relevant and retrieved. So, we were discussing about the basic measures of text retrieval. So, the basic measure, first one is precision. Precision is a percentage of retrieved documents that are in fact relevant to the query or correct responses, and it's formulated as relevant and retrieved divided by retrieved. As earlier, we will suppose that we have submitted a query and we have got 15 tuples as the output. Okay, from that retrieved tuples, only 10 are relevant to your topic or relevant to your query. Then retrieved and relevant together will be 10. Now you do 10 divided by 15, you will get 66. So 66% is your precision. Next is recall. This is a percentage of the documents that are relevant to your query and were in fact retrieved, and is formulated as recall is equal to relevant and retrieved divided by relevant. See, the relevant is 10 and you have retrieved also 10. Means you have get 10% recall. Suppose you have relevant intersection retrieved is 9. Okay, then you can write 9 divided by relevant. So you will have 90% recall. Now there is a term called as EPSCoR. The information retrieval system often needs to trade off the recall for precision or vice versa. One commonly used trade-off is EPSCoR, which is defined by the harmonic mean of the recall and precision. EPSCoR is equal to recall into precision divided by recall plus precision divided by 2. So, precision, recall and EPSCoR are the basic measures of text retrieval. Now, basic text retrieval process. First process is tokenization of the input text. So what do you mean by tokenization of the input text? It is achieved by splitting the text into white spaces. For example, welcome to data mining is a sentence given to you. So we have separated it, welcome to data mining. So what we have done here? We have split in the text. Next one, removing stop words like a, the, for, and. These all are stop words and it has to remove the stop words. Now, finding word stem. See, suppose we have 3 words: gifted, gifts, gifting. The stem word of all these 3 words are gift. So, finding word stem. Now, the text retrieval model. The text retrieval model is vector space model. It models a set of document D and set of term T as vector V in T-dimensional space R of T. The terminologies related to vector space model is term frequency, which also comes with term frequency matrix. Term frequency is written as frequency of D comma T. Here D means the document and T means the term. So frequency altogether means the number of occurrence of a term T in document D. Next, term frequency matrix TF of D comma T. It measures the association of the term T with respect to the given document T. T D comma T is equal to 0 if the frequency of D comma T is equal to 0. That means that the particular term did not appear anywhere in the document. But if it has occurred, then we find the occurrence using this equation, that is 1 plus log frequency D comma T. Okay, that is, if the document is of bigger size, then it is necessary to normalize the occurrence of the particular term. Next, inverse document frequency IDF. Inverse document frequency represents the scaling factor or the importance of a term T. See, in a particular document, there are some terms which does not give any importance to the meaning. For example, the occurrence of the, a, in, of. This will not give any importance to your meaning and this will suppress the occurrence of the important words. So at that time, you have to reduce such words. Okay, for that you are using inverse document frequency. Now we formulate IDF of T, which is equal to log 1 plus D divided by dt. dt is a set of documents containing the term T. Now in a complete vector space model, TF and IDF are combined together and it will form TDF-IDF measures. That is, TDF-IDF D comma T is equal to TF D comma T into IDF of T. Okay. Now remember all this formula and we will do a problem. This is an important question which comes in text mining. The term frequency matrix given in the table shows a frequency of terms per document. You have to calculate TF, IDF values for the term T6 in document D4. So this is the frequency matrix which is given to you. Now this problem is to find or to calculate TF, IDF. Okay. For that you have to calculate TF and IDF, and TF and IDF value is multiplied together to get TF and IDF. Okay. Now let us find TF of D4 comma T6, which is equal to 1 plus log of frequency of occurrence of D4 comma T6. So let us find out. This is T6 and D4. The value is 15. Okay. So we will write 15 here and we will find out the value of this. You will get 1.3377. Now how to find IDF of term 6? So that is equal to log 1 plus 5 by 3. 5 is how many documents you have here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5. And next one is how many document contains T6. See, D1 is containing T6, D2 doesn't have, D3 doesn't have, D4 has and D5 has. So it will be written as 3. Okay. Now you have to find the answer. You will get 0.301. And TDF and IDF of D4 comma T6 is equal to this answer multiplied by this answer. So that will be 0.403. So this is how you do the problem of text mining to calculate TF and IDF. So that's all about text mining. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching my video.